Pitru Dosha class we are concluding now, and I hope you enjoyed it, because understanding this concept can make you feel very much relieved. Once you start practicing this meditation, a lot of things will change in life. Life becomes better. Many things start falling into place easily. Many hurdles and blockages get removed from life. So that is why it is very important that you understand this concept of Pitru Dosha and practice the meditations. Now you can also speak about what you experienced during this class. Please mention your name and from where you're speaking, and then continue.
Good evening, Guruji.
Good evening.
Thank you very much for this meditation. I'm from Kuwait, Prabhakar.
Okay.
I've been doing this meditation for the last 12 years maybe, and I had a lot of good experiences in every meditation. I think I did this meditation when I did chakra meditation class.
Correct.
But I think this is more in depth, I think, in that in these concepts. So thank you very much, and God bless us. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, and my blessings to you. Please practice the meditation now. Then you will really see some good things happening.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm Sabyasachi from Bangalore.
Yes.
I felt that this problem is there in my life, and today I felt very much relieved. So I think if I do it regularly, probably I can get rid of this.
Pitru Dosha. Yes, definitely, definitely.
I feel that this problem is there with my life. Actually.
Yeah. Please continue the meditations. You will see a lot of changes in life.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, okay.
And Guruji.
Yes. This
is Shivakumar from Trichy, ma'am.
Okay.
One thing I have a doubt in soul satisfying meditation. Whether it is possible to do for a family member through us.
See, soul satisfaction, all those wordings, those sentences. I
can do it in the subconscious mind thing. So I'm just trying how to use this meditation, soul satisfying meditation to my father. That's it.
Maybe you can play it near them and let them just listen to it, see what happens.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Madam Ravindran from Chennai.
Yes.
Thank you. I think the entire concept of what who a Pitru is and what it means to be under the influence of a Pitru Dosha. Thank you so much. I think the concept has been beautifully explained, and the effects it can have not only on you but also on various aspects of life, your family, and even the physical properties, it can have an impact. Thank you so much. And yeah, the meditation is a very good remedy. And I look forward to removing all those doshas which are there and be more successful in life than what I am right now. Thank you so much.
Very true, very true. My blessings. Definitely, you will see a lot of changes. Definitely. Thank you.
Happy birthday wishes to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Ma'am, shall I talk in Tamil?
Yes, no problem. Carry on.
Ma'am, இப்போ இந்த 1 week session முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம தனிப்பட்ட ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் செரிமனி வரும்போது அவங்களுக்கு மட்டும் மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணுவாங்களா இல்ல இதே மாதிரி எல்லா ஆன்செஸ்டர்ஸ்க்கும் மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணுவாங்களா?
இல்ல, இப்போ இந்த 7 நாள் வந்து நம்ம பொதுவா எல்லாருக்கும் பண்ணிடுறோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் மாசத்துக்கு ஒரு தடவை அமாவாசை அன்னைக்கு பொதுவா எல்லாருக்கும் நம்ம பண்றோம். இது வந்து பொதுவா நீங்க கண்டினியூ பண்ணணும். பிராக்டிஸ் which you should continue. இப்ப நடுவுல யாருக்காவது திதி வந்ததுன்னா அன்னைக்கு அவங்களுக்கு மட்டும் தனியா நீங்க பண்ணலாம்.
Okay.
அப்படி கண்டினியூ.
Okay. Class was very nice, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Super. I am suffering a lot in my family, ma'am. Now I should
you should do this
by this method.
Definitely you can do this.
Lot of land problem, property problem, ma'am.
No, you please try this. It will give very good relief. Please try.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Ma'am, Kausalya from Tirupur speaking.
Okay. Carry on.
Happy birthday, Guruji.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
This also I've been repeating for 3-4 times, ma'am. I did this chakra meditation. Meditation was very nice, and the final meditation was very, very nice, ma'am.
Yeah, the soul satisfying one. Yeah, very
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
That is
It
a
was
wonderful
very nice.
meditation. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And
Yes.
2-3 weeks back, I did psychic energy, ma'am. That now I'm doing it along with Sri Vidya. It is very nice, ma'am. Now, actually, I'm more Sri Vidya meditation has become even more efficient and all that, ma'am. After doing
Okay.
psychic.
Good, good. Very good. Very good. Nice to hear that. Please continue. My blessings.
Thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
My name is Rajesh.
Okay.
I am from Bangalore.
Okay.
So I'm relatively new to Alpha.
Okay.
I did my first program in last December from my Aishwaryam class.
Okay.
And then I did psychic energy, chakra meditation, Amrita Siddhya, and this is maybe something which I wanted. Because during some point in my meditation, I used to see my mother's face. Okay. So I thought, this is something I should do. Guruji, I have one doubt. When we do, suppose if I am doing it for my mother, so does one cycle of 7 days should be enough, or
it will be enough? It will be enough. Mostly, it will be enough. First, you finish this general one which we have started, and then separately for your mother 7 days.
Okay.
Definitely within that time, if the soul is still here, it will get released. And you see why you have been seeing her face sometimes is once you start meditating, if somebody wants to get released, they can come and ask you.
Okay.
That is how it is. Especially now that you know this meditation, not only your mother, suddenly you may see a stranger's face also.
Oh, okay.
You should not get scared. Nothing will go wrong. It is only that soul is just looking for somebody to assist that soul to ascend. So since you sit and meditate and you know this meditation, any soul can come and ask you also. You just have to do it generally as we did today, and that soul will get released. That's all.
Thank you, Guruji. With your blessings,
definitely. All the best.
Thank you.
Sure. My blessings. Yeah.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Ma'am, I am Uma Kamaraj in Chennai, ma'am. 20 years back, நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு அவை கலைக்கழகம் ராயபுரத்துல நான் வந்து பேசிக் அப்போல இருந்து எனக்கு 3 daughters, மேம். அந்த மெடிடேஷன் எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப் ஆனிச்சு. அவங்க என்னோட டாட்டர்ஸோட மேரேஜ் அளவுக்கு வெரி நைஸ், மேம். ஆஃப்டர் தட் இப்பதான் நான் 21 days பேக் சைக்கிக் எனர்ஜி படிச்சேன். அது ரொம்ப நல்லா யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், மேம். நவ் அப்பாவை 20 yearsக்கு முன்னாடி லாஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். அம்மா லாஸ் ஆயிட்டாங்க 10 years பேக். நவ் மை ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஆல்சோ 1.5 years பேக் ஐ லாஸ்ட் இட். So I failed too much, மேம். எவ்ரிடே அந்த பிக்சர் பார்த்துட்டு குட் மார்னிங் சொல்றது, குட் நைட் சொல்றது, இப்படி பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும்போது ரொம்ப டென்ஷன் தான் இருந்தது. பட் இன்னைக்கு உங்க கிளாஸ் பார்க்கும்போது இந்த செஷன் எனக்கு நிறைய கிளாரிஃபை ஆயிருக்கு, மேம். நான் இதை கண்டிப்பா ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவேன். என்னால நிச்சயமா அந்த சோல்ஸ் எல்லாம் அவங்களோட வேர்ல்டுக்கு அனுப்பி வைக்க முடியும் அப்படிங்கிற ஹோப் எனக்கு வந்திருக்கு, மேம்.
வெரி குட். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நீங்க இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will also be at peace. அவங்களும் பீஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருப்பாங்க, நம்மளும் பீஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கலாம். அதுதான். All the best. My blessings. Thank you.
Hi, good evening, ma'am. Very happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
I'm from Chennai. I've been attending classes since 2001 from you.
Oh, great.
Your very first class. Adhikapra, I've done a lot of classes like Money class, Mantra Shakti class, then Chakra meditation. I've done 6 months back. I did one on the Dosham class. Now this I've done. So I have still 2 classes, one more class that I want to finish.
Okay.
This class, I wanted to do this for a long time because I see a lot of, I don't see much youngsters doing this, so I was a little skeptic. But நீங்க சொல்ற மாதிரி இந்த கிளாஸ்ல வந்து போட்டோஸ் வைக்க கூடாது அதெல்லாம் சொல்லும்போது I feel little relief because in my mother's place அந்த மாதிரி என்னோட கிராண்ட் பேரண்ட்ஸோட போட்டோஸ் நான் பார்த்ததே கிடையாது. And they don't follow this ritual, yearly rituals பண்ணது கிடையாது. So now there is delay happening in a lot of things in my family. So I feel maybe அதனால delay ஆகுதா அப்படின்றதுனால just want to make it clear. that should not be the reason. So that's the reason I'm attending this class. But அதுல வந்து நீங்க சொல்றது வந்து அதெல்லாம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணாம இருந்தாலுமே பெட்டர் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி தான் எனக்கு கிளாரிஃபை இருக்கு. பட் mentally we are making it clear that they don't stay back.
Correct. See, rituals follow பண்ணாம இருந்தா that's okay, but at least in the meditation பண்ணியாவது அவங்கள ரிலீஸ் பண்ணணும். If you don't do anything also, sometimes many get stuck, many souls. Yes. So for that, meditation is easier. You can just sit and do it. Rituals na kuda nariya perku ipo mudiyirudhu illa. Meditation we can easily do.
So they never followed all the rituals. My father was all that, so he has not done the rituals for so many years.
Okay.
But now I want to do this meditation, do this and clear this off. And in the when a lot of people are talking about this, now I could relate something. One of my ancestor property has been there in my native that we are not able to dispose at all.
Okay.
So now I'm relating, maybe this could be also a reason for that.
Yeah, this could be a reason. See, that's what I said. We will never be able to actually prove that this is the reason, but you can eliminate this cause so that the property gets sold. This also could be a reason. So eliminate this. That's the purpose of the meditation.
Sure. Anyway, I'll follow. Thank you so much for the class.
Okay, all the best. Blessings.
Thank you.
Good evening.
This is the first time we are attending with my family, my kids also.
Very good. Okay.
This is very first time I could watch for YouTube, and I entered yesterday evening only. Very pleasant. I felt, how do I explain, very, very happy. As well as I met all those who are all my grandpa, everyone I felt, and I gave whatever you said, we follow. And my kid also, my son and daughter also want to share something.
Yes.
Much more happy returns of the day. As well you are God's representative for us. So always we are praying for you also, Guruji.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So very nice of you. And my blessings to your children. Yeah, please go ahead.
I want to join in Chinese school.
Okay.
With your blessings, I want to become a Kinjadati.
Very good. My blessings. Be very successful in life. Be happy. All the best.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I feel so blessed. Thank you very much.
This is a great experience for me and all, ma'am.
Okay, very good. It's so nice at such a young age. You're attending a class like this and understanding what we spoke. I'm really very happy. So very nice of you, and my blessings to you. All the best. Okay?
Ma'am, நான் சைனிக் போனோம், அப்புறம் டாக்டர் ஆகணும் மேம். அதுக்கு உங்களோட blessings
கண்டிப்பா என்னோட blessings உண்டு. நல்லா படிங்க, நல்லா ஹாப்பியா இருங்க. இந்த ரெண்டு தான் முக்கியம். மைண்ட் ஹாப்பியா இருக்கணும், நல்லா படிக்கணும். அவ்வளவுதான். அது பண்ணா போறோம். இந்த ஏஜ்ல வேற ஒண்ணுமே வேண்டாம். You will succeed very well. Okay. Thank you.
Guruji, namaste.
Namaste. Thanks. Yes. Namaste.
Yeah, I'm from Bangalore.
Yes, Veena.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, I just had one doubt. Like, if we see our close relative who are no more in our dreams, does it mean or conclude that their soul is still lingering around, or
Yes. Generally, that's how it is assumed, that if they are coming in dreams, the soul is there. See, once the soul passes on and moves on its journey, then they don't appear in dreams. That's what generally is accepted. So then you do this meditation for them also, and then they will go away.
Thank you.
Okay, right. Okay, thank you so much. See you. My blessings.
Happy birthday, Guruji.
Yes, thank you very, very much. Thanks a lot. So nice of you.
Birthday.
உங்களுக்கு birthday? Oh my God, very nice. So we share our birthday. Thank you very much, and a very happy birthday to you also.
Happy birthday, Guruji.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much. All the best, right?
Happy birthday to you, ma'am. ஆரம்பத்துல இந்த மெடிடேஷன் பண்றது கொஞ்சம் பயமா இருந்துச்சு.
இல்ல பயப்படவே வேண்டாம். நம்ம அதை பண்ற விதம் நமக்கு எதுவுமே ஆகாது. ஹாப்பிலி யூ கேன்
மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணும்போது பயமே இல்ல, அழகா கம்ஃபர்ட்டா ஈஸியா. அதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு கோடி நன்றிகள்.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். Thank you so much. My blessings. Okay, Govekar, I can see you. Please, why don't you speak? I'll be so happy to listen to you.
I want to just ask one question. What about the soul of the person, those who are committing suicide?
Exactly. That is why I said, the untimely death. Yeah. If there is untimely death, their souls may not get released very easily. So you have to do separately for them for 7 days.
Yes.
Yeah. That will be better. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. All my blessings. The Pitru Dosha class, I really enjoyed. It was, as usual, very deep and very powerful meditation. I hope all of you also enjoyed. Please practice this meditation, because this is a meditation which can give you a lot of relief in life. A lot of burden gets relieved. So please practice, and please do write to me and let me know your experiences. Okay. Thank you very much for being here today. My blessings to each and every one of you. Thank you.